The GutView MLA-30 Loop Antenna is an upgraded active receive design that covers roughly 1/2 megahertz through 30 megahertz, making it well suited for medium and shortwave listening. Its compact loop and small controller box make it very easy to mount on a balcony, rooftop, or temporary mast without needing heavy hardware or large support structures. Because it is a true magnetic loop, you can rotate the antenna to null out local interference, which is extremely helpful in noisy urban radio environments. The active amplifier and directional pattern work together to raise weak signals out of background noise, often revealing stations that a basic wire antenna completely misses. Shortwave listeners and amateur radio operators will appreciate that it performs consistently across a wide frequency range while remaining stable in typical outdoor weather conditions. For portable or space-constrained setups, this antenna offers an impressive balance of low noise reception, wide coverage, and simple installation that makes it a strong upgrade over improvised antennas.